Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we will learn about working in online and offline mode in Fusion 360. By the end of this video, you will understand how to check your job status and see if you are in online or offline, the difference between online and offline modes, how to manually switch to offline mode and what changes in data panel. Let's get started. In Fusion 360, you can easily check whether you are working online or offline. Look at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the job status icon. If you see that it says working in online mode, it means Fusion is connected to internet and you have full access to all cloud-based features. Right-click on any file and you will see multiple options like rename, move, copy, delete, etc. These options are available only in online mode because Fusion 360 syncs everything with the Autodesk cloud. But what if you don't have internet connection? You can still use Fusion 360 in offline mode. Click on Job Status icon, select Go Offline. Now Fusion 360 switches to offline mode, allowing you to continue working without internet access. Now let's check the data panel again. Right-click on a file and you will notice that many options are missing. In offline mode, you will only see option Insert into current design, New drawing from this design. You can't rename, move or collaborate while offline mode because Fusion 360 needs an internet connection to sync those changes. See the difference. Online mode gives you full connection while offline mode limits certain features. And there is the difference between online and offline mode in Fusion 360. Thank you.